Hi students, welcome to Raju Library. In previous class I explained about LCM and finding methods of LCM. Now in this class I will explain the relationship between LCM and HCF. Relationship between LCM and HCF. So here which type of relation is there for given numbers and LCM and HCF? Okay, here product of two numbers it is equal to the product of LCM and HCF. Product of two numbers. So which numbers? Two numbers. Any two numbers we can take. Any two numbers. Okay. Next product of LCM and HCF. Here product means what? Product means multiplication. I am taking two numbers as x and y. I am taking two numbers as x and y. For unknown values, we can take variables. Here, x and y I am taking. You may have doubt, sir, only we have to take x and y? No need. Variables means all alphabets are called variables. So, any two numbers we can take. Any two alphabets we can take. You can take a into b also. A into b also we can take. Okay. But I am taking x and y. So, product of two numbers x into y. Two numbers means x and y. Product means multiplication. So, x into y is equal to product of LCM and HCF. Product means C into and product of LCM and HCF is LCM into HCF. LCM into HCF. So, this is the formula. The relationship between LCM and HCF and the given numbers. Okay. See, it is very important formula. In many competitive exams also we are getting different problems. So that it is very important formula. X into y is equal to LCM into HCF. Okay. Which type of problems will be there? How they will ask questions or problems based on this formula? I will explain. Okay. See, here one problem is there. The product of two numbers is 3276. It means 3276. If their HCF is 6, find their LCM. This question is important. This type of questions also they are asking in competitive examinations. For example, railway exams, constable exams and staff selection exams also. In other states also they are asking. Whatever they are going to conduct government recruitment jobs. In that exams they are asking this type of questions mainly. Depending on the relationship between LCM and HCF. See, whatever they given. The product of two numbers is 3276. Means product of two numbers they given. What is product of two numbers? X into y. They given 3276. And they given HCF. Their HCF also they given. We have to find LCM. We know that the formula x into y is equal to LCM into HCF. LCM into HCF. So product of two numbers they given already directly. That means in this place we can write 3276. 3276. So here in the place of x into y we can write 3276 is equal to LCM. Are they given LCM? No. They are asking to find LCM. Means we don't know this LCM. Write as it is what we don't know. Write as it is what we don't know. Next HCF they given. HCF is 6. HCF is 6. In the place of HCF write 6. Next see 3276 is equal to LCM into 6. Here we need to find LCM. It means other numbers we have to transpose left side. Here 6 is there. 6 is multiplying with LCM. So by transposing this 6 it becomes division. It means 3276 divided by 6 that equal to LCM. Okay, now divide this one. Okay, LCM is equal to, if you divide whatever the given number 3 to 7 6, here 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30. Next the remainder is 2. Next take 7, it becomes 27. Okay, 6 4s are 24. Here 6 4s are 24. Next the remainder is 3. Okay, next take this 6, it becomes 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. So the remainder 0. It means by dividing 3276 by 6, the answer will be 546. We are using only formula x into y is equal to LCM into HCF. And whatever I know from the question, I am substituting all those numbers. See, x into y, product of two numbers they given, I am substituting 3276. And LCM I don't know, we have to find. So I am writing as it is LCM plus LCM. Next HCF, they given in the question. So HCF is 6. Now 6 is multiplying with LCM, by transposing it becomes division. Okay, so LCM is equal to, by doing actual division, I am getting 546. So the LCM is 546. Okay students, here one more problem is there. HCF LCM of two numbers are 9 and 54. Observe carefully. HCF and LCM of two numbers are 9 and 54. It means what? See here, HCF and LCM of two numbers are 9 and 54 respectively. Respectively means we have to identify here which word first given, HCF. Here which number first given, 9. So first HCF number is 9, LCM number is 54. That is the meaning of respectively. So here HCF is 9, LCM is 54. We should not take HCF is 54 and LCM is 9. We should not take like that. Why? Because they are saying respectively means whatever first the given word HCF. Here first number will be the HCF. Here second word is LCM. Here the second number will be the LCM. Okay. Next, see, it means HCF they given. What is the HCF? 9. LCM also they given. What is the LCM? 54. Next, one of those two numbers is 18. Here x value they given 18. Means one number they given. Second number we don't know. Second number we don't know. Which number we don't know? That one I am taking as a question mark. So why? I don't know. That is question mark. Means we have to find. Let us see what we know that. We know that. What we know that? X into y is equal to LCM into HCF. X into y is equal to LCM into HCF. What is x here? 18 into y. Write as it is because I don't know. I want to find. Is equal to LCM. What is LCM? 54 into HCF. What is HCF? 9. By transposing 18 right side, it becomes a division. So 54 into 9 divided by 18. Here 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. Next 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. 1 will be remaining. It becomes 14. 2 7 ja 14. It means y is equal to 27. Y is equal to 27. So, what is y? The other number. See, find the other number. Here, the second number is 27. Dear students, we can find answers for this type of questions also. Here, if you know the formula, we can find easily. Actually, see, sometimes they will give LCM and HCF and one number they will give, we have to find the second number. Okay, sometimes they will give product of two numbers and they will give LCM, we have to find out HCF. Sometimes they will give product of two numbers and HCF, we have to find LCM. Whatever they ask, we can find answers easily using this formula. X into y is equal to LCM into HCF. Students, I hope you understand very well. Okay, thanks for watching our Raju Library channel.